Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to select primary button of your mouse in Windows 10. So if you want to change your primary button left to right or right to left of your mouse, first of all just click on the start button. Now click on the start button or Windows button here, just click on it. Now after clicking on it here you will see setting icon, just click on the setting icon. Now after clicking on the setting icon you will see the setting has been opened in your Windows 10. Now here you will see devices option. Now you have to click on the devices option. Now click on the devices option. Click on devices option and like this you will see many options here. So if you want to change the primary button of your mouse, just click on the mouse. Now after clicking on the mouse here you will see first option is select your primary button. So if you want to change it left to right, just click on it and it will change to left to right, and if you want to change it to right to left, just click on it and click on the left. So like this you can change primary button in your Windows 10 of your mouse. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos on Windows 10 setting and tips. Thanks for watching.